focus quickly also to the other state, because first phase of the elections that are about to begin in the state of West Bengal, and we are counting down to that, about approximately 10 minutes to go when the first phase of the assembly elections will begin in 152 constituencies that is spread across North Bengal and several districts of the south as well. The TMC, which is in power for the last 15 years, is now eyeing for a fourth straight term in the state. And since 2016 elections, the BJP, however, has emerged to be the main opposition, sidelining the traditional left Congress alliance in the state to challenge Mamata Banerjee. Now, the party is eyeing a victory in the state right from the several issues, including that of SIR to infiltration, which is Ghuspaitiye, to women safety, to many other key issues that seems to be driving the poll narrative. So that seems to be, as far as when it comes to the security, multiple agencies from the center as well, that they have been now deployed across the state of West Bengal, because unfortunately the state and the elections, whenever it happens, unfortunately are associated with violence. Let's connect with Pooja on this. Pooja, good morning. We are counting down. Less than 10 minutes to go. Of course, when it comes to the back and forth and the allegations that have been raised, even till the last date, we are looking at complaints that have gone up to the courts. We are looking at complaints that have gone up to the Election Commission as well.
Well, absolutely. Good morning. And let me take you through the visuals first. We're currently at Murshidabad's Behrampur, and we're inside one polling station, and you can see that there is a CAPF Jawan who is stationed right outside the polling booth. Why?
क्लियर कर दिया
सर, बिगेस्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी है सर, कुछ अपील करना
शांति से होना चाहिए।
अच्छा सर, SIR, आखिरी सवाल, SIR कितना बड़ा फैक्टर हो सकता है इस बार चुनाव?
तो जब काउंटिंग होगा तो पता ही चलेगा
जी
किस तरीके से असर हुआ।
जी
डेथ वोटर, फेक वोटर, ट्रिपल डबल एंट्री और घुसपैठिया का नाम नहीं है जी, तो ममता बनर्जी को जीतने का कोई स्कोप भी नहीं है।
Suvendu Adhikari of the BJP, that's a live reaction coming in. He's performed as the giant slayer, but however, retaining that seat is something that would be all the more important there for him, and that seems to be the Nandigram fight for Suvendu Adhikari, and that seems to be the fight which is also one of the key contests that is going to be closely looked upon in the first phase of election in West Bengal. Right from Jhalmuri to March, that has also been one of the talking factors when we look at the elections here in the first phase. So let's in the meantime take a look when it comes to the candidates and of course the key fights, the VIP seats that what we are now looking at. So let's talk about Dinhata there. We are looking at Ajay Rai from the BJP, Harihar Roy Singha from the Congress, Udayan also coming in from the TMC side. Then there is the fight for Siliguri, Shankar Ghosh, Alok Dhara, Gautam Dev. So mainly a three-cornered contest that what we are looking at. Of course, the Congress and the left fighting for opening its account in the state of West Bengal. Then we are looking at Harirampur as well, Devbhadra Majumdar. There are other seats as well when we talk about Sujapur. There are other contests as well that we are looking at. Of course, we just saw Suvendu Adhikari, so he is the one who's going to be contesting from Nandigram, where there is Pavitra Kar from the TMC side versus Suvendu Adhikari. Then if we take a look as far as the other seats are also concerned, Murshidabad is also concerned. We talk about Gauri Shankar Ghosh, Shravani Singha Roy and Mir Hasnat Ali. And as far as the alliances here is also concerned, that is also very interesting to note whether or not they will be able to cut the vote share of the TMC. So that is also important, Pooja. When we take a look as far as the elections here are concerned, how are the alliances now picking up?
Well, absolutely. We've seen earlier the Congress not going into an alliance with the CPM. Remember, the Congress had stated that they will be contesting all alone in the 294 seats. But as far as Trinamool Congress and BJP is concerned, it is a clear contest between the Trinamool Congress and BJP. While there are political experts and analysts that say that Congress might perform better as compared to the 2021 assembly elections in parts of Murshidabad and Malda, with Mausam Benazir going back to the Congress fold from Trinamool Congress. It is a major revival chances for the Congress to do better in Malda. As far as Murshidabad is concerned, the fact that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is contesting from the Behrampur constituency here in Murshidabad, there are also chances of how it could lead to some resurgence as far as the Congress is concerned. concerned. But overall, if you look at the 152 seats that are going for polls today in the first phase of elections, it is going to be a very close contest between the Trinamool Congress and BJP.
So the
Remember
countdown
the
has
past-
begun, about 5 minutes to go, and when the polling will actually begin in both of the states, in first phase in West Bengal and all of the seats in Tamil Nadu. And the biggest coverage that you'll get to watch right here on Times Now as we head into a short break, back with the live and the exclusive coverage that you will be getting to watch and hear the conversations right here on Times Now.